Franco, have you ever heard about OPPO Reno? Because these days all my friends are talking about the new smartphone of the OPPO. It's called OPPO Reno, and many people talking about this and very hot in the market. They say because it has the real full screen, which is 6.6 inch with 48 megapixels AI camera. So what do you think about it? Okay, yes, that's the point. So many people around me talking about the OPPO Reno because it has the newest Snapdragon 855 and has the newest camera about 48 megapixels AI camera, and it has the 10 times lens for the lens camera, and they have 3 colors, and the most important is the screens because they make the real full screen with 6.6 inch, and the screens looks pretty nice. The other smartphones right now in the market. So talking about so much about this, why not buy it and make a review and unboxing video about this? Okay, let's check them out. What's up guys, Franco here. So I just got the OPPO Reno here with the brand new parcel, and I don't open it because I want to make unboxing and review video here. So let's unbox this OPPO Reno. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's get started to unbox this OPPO Reno here. So first open this box with my knife here. So it's quite a good parcel. Let's unbox it. Wow, I really like the feeling to unbox my parcel. It's feeling so good. Wow. Okay guys, so let's see. First we got the Asus N6 Bluetooth loudspeaker. I think this is the accessories for this smartphone. I think it's gift. Don't think so. It's accessories. It's N6 Bluetooth loudspeaker. Okay. And here, wow, whoa, amazing. So this is the OPPO Reno, and the box is very creative. I like this design of this box. Actually, like the box of my electronic Bluetooth. Okay, and the box design is quite simple, but I like it. I like this box design. What else? Oh no, nothing. Okay. Okay, we have the OPPO Reno here, and we have N6 loudspeaker. Okay, guys, have a look. N6 portable Bluetooth loudspeaker, and this is OPPO Reno. Okay. So the most important law here is OPPO Reno, and let's unbox it. Also, I need my knife to unbox it. Wow, really nice. Let's unbox it. Whoa. So I bought the green one. I bought the green color. Let's unbox it. Whoa, whoa. Wow. So this is the box. Okay. Here. And use manual by OPPO. Let's see what's inside it. Use manual. Inside it we got the use manual. Yes. It's in Chinese. Okay. And there is a warranty card. Okay. Oh, so here is our Reno. Here got the, wow. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is a phone tray, and this is the charger, and this is a charging cable, and this is a phone case. Okay, and this is earbuds. Okay, so all this is accessories: a phone case, earbuds, USB cable, and charger. Okay, so all these are the accessories, and we will show you guys the OPPO Reno here. And we bought the green color, and I like this color. And let's, okay, just to check. Oh, okay. Oh, I just open it. Wow, so smooth. It shows OPPO, powered by Android, and this is the back. This is the back. Okay, let's get started to check out this OPPO Reno. First, let's turn on these phones. Just press the power key here for a long time, and shows OPPO, powered by Android. And let's check what's the new specification, new features for this OPPO Reno. Okay. So this is the bottom. We have this earphone part, and this is the charging part. Okay. Okay, let's come back to the home menu. So this is the home menu for the ColorOS 6, the new ColorOS for the OPPO. And personally, I like this OS very much because it's very colorful, and the UI design is good. Yeah, and there are many shortcuts when you can reach some apps you like or some operation you want. Very convenient for you guys. Okay. Okay, so let's check the camera first. The back camera is 48 megapixels, which is very clear, and it has a 10 times zoom for you guys to take some photos, take some pictures. Okay, but I will show you guys when I'm outside this office. Yeah. And I check the front camera. When you open the front camera, the front camera will pop up automatically. This is very cool tech design. Okay, yes, like this. It's a very cool design. And the video, and it supports the 4K video, 4K recording videos. Okay, and there are so many apps there. Okay, and then let's check the internet. Let's check YouTube for example to show you guys the internet speed and the sound quality. Okay. So this is the video and sound quality we check. Very nice. So this is a brand new OPPO Reno. Got the blue color. Oh, sorry, I got the green color. And this is back. And for the back is quite similar like the Vivo iQOO. I think the back design is similar. It's not the same, but it's quite similar. Okay. And talking about the screen, this is a 6.6-inch full screen. Almost no bezels in the bottom, and on the top, almost no bezel. And okay, it's very nice. And it has inside the in-glass fingerprint. I will show you guys here. Fingerprint. And the fingerprint. Okay. Wow, very fast. Okay, the fingerprint is set. Let's check. Wow, very fast. Check again. Wow, so fast for the in-glass fingerprint. Guys, do you see it? Wow, I like the in-glass fingerprint. Also, it has a Face ID. Face ID here. Let's check again. Wow. Okay, the fingerprint is set. Let's check. Wow, very fast. Check again. Wow, so fast for the in-glass fingerprint. Guys, do you see it? Wow, I like the in-glass fingerprint. Also, it has a Face ID. Face ID here. Let's check again. Wow. Okay, so this is